What is up there, guys and gals? Welcome back to my channel, your favorite penguin, the Penguinator. And today I am bringing you a recording for the ride Rise of the Resistance in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Now, I do want to say I want to apologize for this not being the full ride and full immersion because my phone was dying, so I had to use footage from a friend, and they have never actually tried to record before, so their recording skills and knowing exactly how to point it is not exactly on par, so I do apologize for that. I do plan to go back sometime next year, and when I do, I'll take a much better video and replace this one. But anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoy this ride of Rise of the Resistance from Star Wars Galaxy Edge in Walt Disney World.
Told that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready.
As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5.
Enjoy your interrogations.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in extension Mark 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D.
If anyone's back in the blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
All resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is short as a battle.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? You got Beck.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Alright, that is it for the video. And I want to thank you for watching. And please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And when you subscribe, please don't forget that little bell. That way stay notified of all my future videos and live streams. And I will mostly be live streaming on Twitch if possible when I get a chance. But I do upload videos, mainly video game footage. So if you like video games, please go through and check out some of the video game footage I have uploaded from the past. I will be uploading more video game footage from Call of Duty, Fortnite, and other games, especially Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and others. So stay tuned for those, and thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and have a great and pleasant day.